Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender P400e X-Dynamic HSE, finished in Tasman Blue metallic paint with 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, Expedition roof rack, privacy glass, and below the rear bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. Entering now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 2040 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof. We can see the Ebony Windsor Leather seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card, and turning in we have the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. We have the heated and cooled seat controls, and the 3D surround camera display with towing assist. On the centre console we can see the climate controls, as well as the ride height buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.